Right, hello, folks. How are we doing today? Maybe I just need to. Should we to myself? Yes, we're doing BSD stuff today. We're doing OpenBSD today. That is window capture. I need screen capture. Is that it? Yeah, that is it. Okay. Mouse. No, I don't want that. This will do. So, we're installing OpenBSD today on the laptop I have sat to my left. So, first things first, I need to get, what is it, OpenBSD mini. No. So OpenBSD. So there we go, mini root 76. So I want mini root 76 for AMD 64. I love how it has PowerPC support. I just love that. Right, so we've got that. We are going to grab our USB stick. Still says USB stick. And we will ignore that, and we want yeah, I still haven't installed it. Why can't I see my own damn breath? Damn. Right, Bologna etcher. Sorry for flashbanging y'all. OpenBSD, kind of, actually. We are installing OpenBSD from nothing today. With the laptop I have previously messed around with. That was quick. Oh, damn, that's good. Right, so. Anyway, hello, Sepe. How you doing, mate? You may have seen the conversation that I was having with Liz. Oh, yeah. Can't get into the... I minimized the wrong window. Where is... There it is. They may not be able to make it, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that there, minimize that. I'm now going to grab the laptop. Because we're going to be having the fun with the laptop today, so... Not for the laptop, but plug in the HDMI. Make sure the hardware switch for wireless is not off. Now what I'm going to do is make sure I plug in these and cable the right way around. Laptop. And then grab OBS, because there is some fuckery I do have to do with OBS to make it so it can see. No, not that one. That one, no, it's not. No, not that one. Discard, discard. Okay, so I guess we're going for this one. Whilst I fix that, then drag this down. Hello, how you doing? Been a while, it's Pancake. I hope you're doing alright. So, yeah, I've been missing you, Pancake. It's nice to know you're doing alright. Right, so plug in power. USB stick. Plug in USB stick. And then power on. Woo! Cool stuff, cool stuff. Congrats, Pancake. Yeah, I realise this is different from normal. Right, so where is... Okay, so it's currently going through the process. I need to get OBS to see. No, not that one. Oh dear. Bear with me, I've got to go through all my webcam sources and make sure nothing is accidentally seeing the thing. So this is indeed working, because it's here. So oh dear. So what we're going to do is we're going to do I. Use a keyboard layout. EN, GB. Let's go for the list. Just go UK. System host name BSD. Access point. Let's do autoconf. So I need to figure out. You know what I need to do is I need to check if the capture card is even working. I think it is somehow. It is. Fuck in. There, so hold on. Because I need to know if it's passing it through to there. Because if it's passing it through to here, which I don't know if it is or not. Ah. Oh dear. Do bother. I actually might do. Yes, it is a new one. I'm trying. None. Would it be BGE? Would it be BGE? See, I'm trying to figure. So I am genuinely trying to figure out what the hell's going on because the captured card is not capture carding, and I think I know why. I'll just password for root account will not echo. Let's just do that and that. Yes, start SSHD by default. Yes, do that. Set up a user. No. Shall allow. Yes. What time zone am I in? GB. So GB. Yes. Root the passphrase. No. You just hold disk. Auto layout. Okay, so I just want to. What I'm going to do right quick is. Yeah, I was expecting that to happen. Okay, so this is, as you can see here, it is actually doing something. Now, let me just. Because I have to enlarge this. No, I don't want that one. I want you. Yes, you are. Cool. So as you can see, it is actually doing something, which is good. Let's start. And then bring it. So it is doing. But it is indeed doing something. It's just my capture card is not capture carding. I don't exactly know why. Yes, the panic is panicking. Done. Let's install the set location of set. Yeah, CD0, CD0. Done. Okay. Insert disk. Is a partition? No. Which disk contains all the media? SD1. A. Bathroom sets, yes. Oh dear. No, I'm not sure. CD 0. HTTPS. HTTP. Server directory, yep. Oh, there we go. Right, hang on, I've got to restart this. OpenBSD. Hello, Full Megley. I may have fucked it up just a smidge. May have fucked things up just a smidge. Just a teensy bit concerned. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get this to boot off the hard drive just to see if the capture card is working. No OS using drive 0 partition 3. Oh, fuck. Okay. So you can actually see that things are happening. It's just for some reason the capture card is not working, and I think I know why. It's because it is only doing a terminal output and it doesn't know how to handle this at all. So yeah, so we're gonna have to do funkiness with this. Oh, hang on. I'm gonna. So what we're gonna do is we're going to auto install. Which network? IWN 0. Okay. So anything you can see blue, it's just doing things. Right here at the bottom, it's just going, no such file or directory for this device. Whoops. So I think I'm going to just do that. Do I have to restart again? Probably do. Anyway, I hope we're all doing well. Reboot. Cool. Ooh. Oh dear. Yeah, so I've never installed OpenBSD before, so I am trying to figure this out. No, you can't see it. Yes, it is so cold. Right, so we don't want to create install media. We just need. Right, there's OpenBSD. Hello, how you doing? The capture card's not working at the minute because I'm not sure it knows how to handle. I'm not sure it knows how to handle the terminal output. I think that's what it's doing. It's not quite sure how to handle terminal output because I check this monitor here because the capture card pass-through is passed through to this television that I use as a monitor, and does that. So yeah, I think it's just having a terminal. Whoopsie. You know what? We'll do that. We'll give it a try. So I'll come back to that in a minute. Anyway, hope we're all doing well. I am cold. I love them beeps and boops. Right, so advanced quick boot mode, no. Summary screen enabled. We'll leave quick boot alone. Wireless is enabled. Wireless switch, yeah, cool. It has a physical switch, which I very much like. Right, I don't want the hardware password. I don't want copy trace stuff. Right, okay. Summary screen enabled. Step dynamic acceleration, legacy USB, onboard line control, yeah. SATA mode selection AHCI, not IDE. Right, okay. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to find, because you should be able to see this right now, but it's not playing. It doesn't want to play. Dynamic acceleration, no. Speed step. New legacy USB on. You know, for this supposedly having advanced stuff in the BIOS, it doesn't really have much advanced stuff, because I can't see jack. Okay. It should be. It definitely should be, but it's not. Because the boot screen would be behind me. There. Hang on. There. So. Cannot open HD0A. Random seed, no such file or directory. Booting off the USB stick, which is on the right hand side. Yeah, it's recognizing USB. Intel UHCI root warning, check and reset date. The date is fine. Welcome to the OpenBSD installation program. /MNT was not properly unmounted. Okay. So, if you need instructions on booting your preferred media, booting from your preferred media, check the platform page. The installer is designed to OpenBSD. Very useful. In fact, you can just hit enter to get a good BSD install. Moving your hands to the rest of the keyboard into root. You might have to send it to me directly in Discord, because the way YouTube doesn't like it. That's not you. It's just YouTube won't let anyone that isn't a mod send links, because YouTube. Automatic disk allocation. AMD 64 install notes. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly drag that there, to there, and then didn't want to do that, but that works anyway. And then we this here. Okay, so oh, it wants to be funky. Oh yeah, that's right, because it is just plain text. So right, drag that to there. So the open disk. Yep. So installed AMD 64 installation notes this file. So if I do install, choose your keyboard, it is UK. UK. System host name, BSD, available network interface. I'm guessing it's BGE0. Right, base 76, COM 76. For me, it shows BGE0 and iWin0, and that's, I'm guessing the iWin0 is the wireless interface, which I don't currently have enabled because it's a physical hardware switch on this laptop. I miss physical hardware switches, but it's a physical hardware switch on this laptop, and it is set to not. I don't want CD-ROM, I don't want floppy disk, don't want floppy disk. So BGE0, let's do autoconf for the IP address, for the IP4 and v6. And then autoconf again, BGE0. Autoconf, okay. Why do you keep asking me the available? Right, that's done. Password for root account. SSHD6 by default, yes. Want the X window to be started by Xrandr DM desktop manager. Installing the system, CD-ROM, making sure the media is present before starting. Yeah. So yes, set up a user, no. Warning, root is targeted by password guessing attacks, pub keys are safer, no. Yeah, allow root, actually no, let's not allow root SSH login, I am in GB. Available disks, which are SD0 and SD1. Let's do that. SD0 because SD1 is the USB stick we're on. So SD0. Encrypt, we will not do any encryption. Use the whole disk MBR, whole disk GPT, OpenBSD area, or edit. I think I'm just gonna remembering what you were talking about earlier. Where is it? Huge room. Right. Yeah, I've gone with just root for now. I'm just trying to get this figured out how to install it first. So let's go for whole disk MBR just because. Yep, we'll go for an auto layout because I'm just going to let it do what it needs to do because it knows better than I do. My feet are cold. You can't see it, but I've got buds. I don't know who the fuck that is. Okay, all disks, available disks are SD. Available disks are SD1. No, I didn't want to. We are done. Let's install the sets. So let's do CD. That's right. I didn't install the. I didn't have the set selected. So what I need is HTTP. No proxy. Once is required. Let's go for mirror service out of Kent. Server directory, yes. AMD64. Select the sets by entering the name of the file and or all and select. So if memory serves me correct, as I was looking at it earlier, symbolic host name, yeah, we've got that. Designated login name, reply with the name of the root disk, yeah. Install via HTTP. This is where I'm at. Okay. The IP address of the server, and they refer to the section named installation set section, which is below. Okay, so A list of available distribution sets found in the given location will be listed. You may individually select distribution sets to install by completing their base names or wildcards, e.g. *.tgz or base comp. Okay, so what do I need to... Okay, I guess we'll go for all sets. We're working. As you can see here, it is slowly but surely ticking across. So this is currently just downloading the base 76, comp 76. This is on Ethernet, which is this one. HDMI, which is this one. I have no clue if it's picking up. Over there or not. I don't know. Installing base 76. No, it's still not picking up. Right. This is not how I planned on doing it. I actually planned on having it outputted so you guys could see it, but yeah. It doesn't know how to handle well, this is clearly not outputting to a terminal. Emphasis on good. And it is me we are talking about here. Yeah, capture card be doing capture cards shit. I reckon it's just having a funny moment with the HDMI. It's not properly outputting the HDMI. Because how that capture card works is it's just a pass-through, and it just captures the pass-through and then sends it via USB to computer. So I only need to have one end plugged in, and I only need to have it plugged in once. Location of sets done. Making all device nodes. So yeah, I only need to have one end, one side of the capture card plugged in for it to work. If I want to see the other end of it, I have to have both ends plugged in. Well, both HDMIs plugged in, but because I only want to see one end, I've got the input side of the... I can have both the input and the output of the graphics card, capture card plugged in, but I have to have the input and USB plugged in for it to work. Now, I've got them both plugged in because I was paranoid that it wouldn't work. So that's why I've got them both plugged in. And it does work. It's just, right now, it's going, the laptop's going, I don't know how the hell to work HDMI. Have you tried not? Post-install, it'll use DRM drivers mirror output to... Okay, cool. That'll be fine then. Yeah, that's what I expected. Yes, this will work. Multiprocessor machine using BSD.mp instead of BSD. Congratulations, your OpenBSD install has been successfully completed. When you log into your new system for the first time, please read your mail using the mail command. Okay, so what I now have to do is I have to do reboot, rip out the USB stick, because I have this laptop set to boot from USB stick first. So yeah, it's set to boot from USB stick first. Okay. Booting HDA. Okay. Bearing in mind, I have the USB stick in my hand. There's a load of root hub stuff. Oh. Oh, there. Aha! There we go. It's working. I can now shrink me back down. I have no idea how well that's actually coming out. Okay, cool. That's coming out as expected. Yes, it's working. Can you believe this? It's working. So yeah, it's just capturing the straight output. That's what it's doing. There's no fanciness. It's just going, what are you doing, and can I have it? And it's going, okay. You know, for £18, this capture card cost off Amazon, and you know what? It's pretty bloody good, you know. Oh fuck. Oh yeah. Small problem. Ever so small problem. It's treating these as two separate monitors. It's treating these as two separate monitors. So if I just grab me, as you can see here, console log for bsd.lan. Okay, so haha, yeah, okay. So it is treating it. So as we can see here, there's one. It's not showing you the other monitor because it's only capturing the output of one. Okay, so bsd.lan root. Okay, cool. I've now got to figure out how to shrink these down to one monitor. Oop. I am stuck. Okay. So shrink down, please. There we go. So, clear Xrandr. Okay, so yeah, we've got Xrandr, which is good. By the way, you can make so the HDMI output by default and excerpt script in the Xrandr line. So, hang on, I can do this. Oh, that looks grainy as fuck. I've got no idea if you could see that or not, but I fucking can't. Bit. Right, okay. That looks much better. I've also got to shrink this down just a smidge. Yeah, so it's treating the second monitor as an 8K monitor. Coffee's good. And then shift middle click lets you reverse the audio. Ooh. I don't have the mouse plugged in and I don't have a middle click on here. Okay, so we have LVDS connected, which is this one. And then this is seen as HDMI 0. So I have to catch my brain up and do Out of the box there, also MG. Okay, so let's pick. I'm just looking at Stack Exchange. Right, use this output for my external. My desktop with an external VGA. No, I don't want that one. I have to mirror my laptop screen on a HDMI connected monitor. Need the hacking manual. Command log me. How the hell? Okay, well, we'll give it a shot. So, Xrandr output. Oop. Output HDMI 0. Auto is going to be output LVDS1. Oh, LVDS is just okay, so LVDS. Fuck. Shit. Oh fuck. Oh god. Okay, so it is also yeah, I want them to mirror. I want this to mirror to that. However, small problem. As you can see, I have no screen here and only screen there. Hang on. What am I doing? There we go, I can see. Okay, so it is Xrandr. Then I'm gonna put auto. Ah, right, okay. Auto. Okay, so I got it back. Ah, I think it's now mirroring. Yes, it is indeed now mirroring. Small problem though. It's not mirroring to the correct resolution. So I've got to force it into the resolution. Okay, right. Yeah, because I can see X console on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. It's not showing it here. Force the mode with mode. Right, hang on. So Xrandr. Okay, so this needs to be 1280 by 800. So Xrandr mode needs to be. Hang on, Xrandr output HDMI 0 needs to be output HDMI 0. That needs to be mode 1280 by 800. Cannot find mode 1280 by 800. Oh, yeah, that's right. That means I need to add in a new mode for that one if I need to do that. So let's do 1280 by 720. 720. I think. No, I'm going to have to make a new mode for this, aren't I? Yep. Because that is not quite reflecting it correctly. So I'm going to have to make a new mode for thing. Okay. New mode. Generate a mode line by using CVT. Right, so I want CVT. No, hang on. CVT 1280 by 800 at 50 hertz. Right, now tell Xrandr this. This gives me that output. So 1280 by 49.95 hertz. Yeah, might as well do 60. Yep. 60 hertz. Right, so tell Xrandr this. So Xrandr new mode 1280 by 800 at 60 is 83.50 1280 1336 1464 16448 800 803 809 and 826. Well, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Yeah, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Now I need to do minus hsync plus vsync, so minus h sync plus vsync. Enter. Okay, now you can add it to the table. So Xrandr add mode to HDMI 0. 1280 by 800 at 60 hertz, 60.0.00. Okay, so if I now do have I fucked that up? Oh shit, I might have fucked that up. 8350, 1280, 13. Yeah, I fucked it up. Hang on. Clear. Xrandr. That's what I've got. I need it to be 1280. But I did not add the new modes to HDMI, so that's fine. So what I need to do now is CVT 1280 by 800 at 60 hertz. Now I need to do make sure I read my word, read what I'm typing correctly. Xrandr. Randr new mode needs to be 1280 by 800. Oh yeah, remove mode. Xrandr remove mode. No, hang on. Remove modes 1280 and by 800 at 60 hertz. Oh, hang on. Xrandr help. Del mode. Yep. Xrandr Dell mode needs to be 1280 by 800 at 60 hertz. What do you mean it needs 2 arguments? I didn't add the mode to her thing. UMI 0. I stand corrected then. So clear Xrandr. Cool. Right. So let's begin. Clear. No. So I need to do CVT at 1280 by 800 at 60.00 or 60. So I now need to do Xrandr new mode 1280 by 800 at 60 hertz. And now I need to make sure I do 83.50 1280 80 1352 1480 1680 800 803 809 831. There we go. I did not know I could do that. Also, I don't have my mouse plugged in. I don't have the mouse plugged in to the laptop at the moment, so I don't actually have a middle click. Minus H sync plus V sync. What? Named color or font does not exist. Major opcode fail request and Xrandr. What? Xrandr help. Xrandr monitors. Ow, my. So Xrandr list mode. Xrandr list providers. Help if I could spell. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to restart it. rcctl restart. Xeon DM. We are seeing this right? So, XENODM. Ah, that would help. I've forgotten how to get into the thing now. Right, so I need you there. Xrandr. Clear. Okay, so I can't remember it. Right, so CVT 1280 by 800 at 60 hertz. So shift right click. You sure? Because I'm trying to shift right click. Where's the control right click? Large. Okay, that looks a bit better. Oh no, it's all right. Insert. Why does pressing insert give me tilde? This is a GB. You know what? I'm not going to question it. How about now? How does that look? Hang on. Xrandr. Yeah, that does look better. Clear. So CVT 1280 by 800 at 60 hertz. So. Hello, Butterballs Nose. How you doing? Xrandr new. Hang on. New mode 1280 by 800 at 60 hertz. So underscore at 60.00 rotation. It is going to be 83.50 1280 at 1352 1480 1680 800 803 809 831 minus H sync plus V sync. Enter. Hasn't shit the bed yet. Ooh, good luck. Good luck about getting confirmation from them on a Saturday. Ooh, or Sunday, depending on where you are, you know. You could be an Aussie. I want to get back. Well, the more you know. Always happy to help. So it is going to be Xrandr, add mode, add mode, HDMI 0 to 1280 by 800 at 60 hertz at 60.00. So if I now do Xrandr, I should have. I do not have. There we go. 12.8. So Xrandr. I'm putting. So because LVDS is currently already at that, it's just trying to get this to that. So bear with me whilst I have a quick sip of my coffee. So Xrandr clear. Where the hell has it gone? I've now immediately forgotten what I need to do to set it. Yeah, my brain's already gone to mush. Okay, yeah, so Xrandr output HDMI MI0 is going to be not auto, but 1280 by 800. Okay. HDMI 0, then mode 1280 by 800 at 60 hertz. 0. Okay, that's better. So if I do Xrandr, HDMI connected, it is currently doing 1280 by 800. Nice. So what I can now do is shrink, move, shrink again, move, shrink to the right, move, Shrink to the right again. Move. How much further do I have to go? God. Hang on. What happens if I just do that? Ah, that'd be easier. Long terminal. Yes, indeed, long terminal. Resize. There we go. So now I need to get these two to mirror. So if I'm understood this correctly, seeing as, hang on, if I just do clear Xrandr. Oh yeah, that is weird. So I currently have it. Okay, so they are both currently just playing at that. So clear. So what I need to do is and then I need to do same command but add same as LVDS. Hold on, just want to make sure this looks correct before I start celebrating. Yes, we can celebrate. Nice. You know what this means? I can now unplug the mouse from the keyboard, well, from the computer, one computer, and plug it in here. I've just realized I have Xterm, yes. Okay, this is first things first. I'm gonna ping, make sure I'm actually getting a response. Okay, good. Oh yeah, it's a bash file, isn't it? I just tried to move them. God damn it, I just tried to move the mouse. So ls cd // ls. Do I need to do cd etc x11 ls cd xeon dm Xeno, not Xenon. That's gonna keep fucking me up. That's gonna keep fucking me up. So cd Xeno dm and then cd x setup. Oh yeah, so vi x setup. Okay, so have another drink of coffee. Okay, so yes, I know. Networking. Me? Miracle. Oh, I love that. Okay, so do I need to put this at the... I'm guessing I need to put this at the bottom. So CVT, not CVT. Shit. I've already forgot. Bother. I forgot it. Oh no, I don't know. Oh no. I don't know. Ah. Oh, my elbow. I've just realized I don't know. I don't know how to. I don't know how to get out of VI. I only know how to get out of Vim. Oh no, this isn't good. How do I get? Yeah, it's a. I'm the stupid. Okay, so I tried QA. As you can see, it didn't. Ah, right. Okay. Okay, I just wanted to make sure because you know, brain is soup. Also, why are you not going past that? Okay, right. What I'm trying to do is open up a new X term. But I'm not sure I can do that, can I? So, Xrandr. So, I need, yeah, I'm gonna have to fn hyphen. Right, so it only goes as far back as the ping. Also, why do I have so many? Oh, yeah, that's right. Oh, I've got to do this all from memory. Oh, cool. When typing help, it actually gives me the help. Right, cool. Clear C. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that again, aren't I? Clear CBT 1280 by 800 at 60. Now I'm gonna have to do Xrandr new mode 1280. Hang on. Bear with me, I've got to plug the mouse back into the computer proper. Ah, okay. Thank you, Iz. Called Tootsies. I mean, I'm always happy to share with everyone. So, you know, we can blame Izzy for this. We can blame Iz for this because it is because of them that I'm doing this. Because it's been sat in my mind. They asked me like a few months ago now, and said, "Hey, have you thought about doing some BSD stuff on your channel? Because I don't see that many people doing BSD stuff." And I thought about it, and I've been thinking about it since. And I thought, kind of burnt out on LFS for a while. I just feel burnt out on LFS at the minute. Screw it. Let's do BSD. Right. Thank you, Pancake. PWD. So I need to do VI and then X11 X up. Yeah, so X setup. Oh, you want to be like that, do you? Oh god, I have immediately forgotten how. I don't. I don't. How do you... I don't know how to use this. Oh, yeah, it's probably gonna have to be what I do. Right, quit. MG. X setup. Right, so Xrandr, new mode, 1280 by 800 at 60 hertz. 60.00 needs to be 83.50. 83.50. I think the toes. 1280 1352. I love how the 3 and the 5 look. 1352, 1480, 1680, 800, 803, 809, 831 minus H-sync plus V-sync. Then it's Xrandr add mode, HDMI 0, 1280 by 800 at 60 hertz. Then Xrandr output HDMI 0. Mode 1280 by 800. 1280 by 800 at 60. And then same as LVDS. Control X, Control S. No new line at end of file, add 1. And then Control X, Control C. So if I now do echo X setup. Why did I think that would work? Why did I think that would work? I've immediately forgot. Yeah. Oh god, why did I think that would work? Oh lord, X setup 0. Yeah, okay, there we go. That's. I just want to make sure. Okay, that's fine. Right. Restart Xenon DM. No. RCCTL. Oh, hang on. Exit. Why do I have so many X terms? Yes. Exit. Yeah, it's left click. So, tell you what, let's do reboot. Might as well reboot, just, to see if it is working. I'm going to indeed unplug my mouse. Pain and suffering with OpenBSD. Hello, Lone Wanderer. Hope you're doing well. Normally it's pain and suffering with penguins. This is not a penguin. At least not today, anyway. There we go. It's working. G502XLS. Cool, it's seeing it. Syspatch you know, yeah, I haven't done that yet. Whoops. Okay, so you can currently see what this has got. It's got a Logitech USB receiver. That's for the mouse. Yeah. From Xeon DM. Xenon. No, Xeno. God, that's gonna screw with me a lot. Okay, hang on. Oh, maybe. Hang on. No, it didn't work. No, it didn't work. Oh, hang on. Yep, it did. Yes, it's working. Get you some. Oh, I feel so happy about that one. You're gonna have to bear with me because I need to put an ankle over my feet. No, I need to put a blanket over my feet because my feet are cold. My feet are really cold. Okay, bear with me. I'm just gonna shimmy forward again. Yeah, it's just my feet are cold. So, I can now actually have the laptop lid down because the little hit. So, expand this. What I'm going to do is just do that for peace of mind of everybody else and accidentally make long terminal. Right, so actually, yeah, I'm also going to pull it down just a smidge. So, ankles on feet. Yes, ankles on feet are good too. Right, so man, syspatch. Okay, cool. Ooh, I love the way this is laid out. Right, so. Right, name syspatch, the managed space system binary packages with C, L, R, and R. Capital R and lowercase r, well, I'm guessing one's recursive, one isn't. There's utility to fetch, verify, install, and revert binary patches. When run without options, syspatch will apply all missing patches, creating a rollback table containing the files is about to replace and extracting install. Any sets missing, so. Files, OpenBSD, yeah. Caveat, syspatch is designed to work solely on official BSD releases. And this was created for OpenBSD 7.6, which was released on the December the 7th, 1776. Fuck's sake. Brain needs to catch up. Yeah, I was going to, that's what I was going to do. Because I could see it's, look at list patches, capital R, oh yeah, just help if I paid attention. Revert all patches, so capital R would be recursively, and then lowercase r is revert the most recently installed. So, just syspatch. We'll have our own way of working with things, Ben. Toes are cold. It's only my big toes though. No fun. Oof. Gotta wake my feet up. I'm glad we got to the point where we're actually able to get. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's most of life. Reboot to load new kernel errata can be viewed under var syspatch. Yeah, I want to try and get a desktop installed. Because don't get me wrong, I love this. I love the way that this looks. It's just I want to try some things. So button bar, win list, utilities. calculator. Rather nice. Oh, I love that logo for it. Destroy. Gone. Ah, yes. Would you like to know? I don't know. If maybe. Oh, magnifier. Cool. Destroy. It has eyes. The hills have eyes. Hello. Oh, I love that. Just yes. Would you look cross-eyed? Oh, I love that. That's cool. That's fantastic. I love that. That's cool. That's perfect. Right. I just love how it tracks as well. Ooh. And then destroy. Hang on. X I's BIBLICALY Hang on. Yeah, just realized. XI is biblically accurate. Oh, I love that. That's perfect. Would you like some biblically accurate eyes? Oh, that's perfect. I love that. Oh, that's so cool. Hang on, I've got to take a picture of this. If you're not a fan of BSD before, or OpenBSD before, you certainly are now. Hang on, let me just... There we go. Oh, biblically accurate eyes. Oh, I gotta share that. Hang on. That's funny. I love that. Oh, I love that. You know, thank you for that one, Pancake. That's rather cool. It's actually rather cool. Oh, I love that. So yes, I would like to try and install desktop environment. Maybe Xface? Yeah, probably Xface. I did not know that. I did not know that was part of it. Biblically accurate eyes. Oh, that's perfect. Just biblically accurate eyes. Oh, that's cool. Would you like some eyes? Oh, bloody hell, that's cool. Right, let's carry on. Do add user, do man add user, which is the new user. It's in the staff login class, is default. Login class as the default login class has low hardware limits, not optional for desktop. Okay, not optimal, not optional. Okay, so we are going to leave my biblically accurate eyes there. Oh, they look funny. I love that. Oh, that's cool. I love that. Right, I need to put my phone on charge. That's also a point. I need to put my watch on charge as well. I need to put everything on charge. I need to put my life on charge. Right, so first things first. Put the phone on charge. Cool, it is charging. Ooh, got down to 9%. I need to put my watch on charge as well, which is running low on charge. Right. Ooh, ooh, I had no idea about that. Oh, that's funny. Right, let's do... I'm going to do the alias for the eyes first, because I find that funny. I probably should have taken my watch off a couple days ago, because my wrist is not happy with that. Yeah, my wrist is not happy. Yep. Ah, yes. It's an angel. Oh, I love that. Yes, I'm actually gonna do that. So what I'm gonna do is alias angel equals x eyes BIBLICARY. Right. Hello. Oh. Oh. Oh, hello. Have you decided to are you telling me you ran out of charge? Are you okay there, Mouse? Be not afraid or something. The X-Face Mouse will appreciate the watcher. Oh, I love that. You'd alias in profile on not bash RC, so oh yeah, exit. Yeah, that's right. LS, so it would be source.profile? MG profile. Oh yeah, so it'd be what would it be? It would be alias angel equals x eyes, then it is BIBLI Europe, and then control. Ooh, I forgot. I can't. Control C, Control X, no, Control S, no. I forgot how to say even MG. How do I exit? Save and exit from MG? I'm immediately Control X, Control S. Ah, yes, and then Control X, and then Control X and then S. Control X and then Control S, and then Control X and Control C. Right, okay. I needed to catch my brain up. So clear. Now I need to do echo angel. I'll figure it out later. We'll figure it out later. Right, so. Oh, ooh. You know what? We'll figure it out later. So. Man add user. Okay, right, so. Already had it. Whoop. So add user, remove user, add user with group names, remove user username. The add user program adds new users to the system. The remove user program removes the users from the system when not passed with any arguments. Both are utilities. I'm just used to having doing it so much with things like Linux from scratch, as well as my own terminal, because I was about to say host system. No, the actual system that this is being captured on I use ZSH and I use OMI ZSH. So I've got some custom commands there. Yeah, this seems reasonable. So it's just oh cool. Right, okay. Ah, okay. So Q. So it's a dot profile. Are you sure, brain computer? Okay, so dot and then it's tilde, which for some reason is that. It's either that one, which is the left-hand side of the enter key, or insert, which I don't quite know why. So clear dot and then hang on, dot asterisk slash dot profile. So if I now do which angel? Control X, Control C. Control X and then Control C. Control X, Control C. No. Really exit? Yes. Yes. Thank you, Angel. Ah. Biblically accurate. I love that. That's funny. I love that. And then destroy. Oh no. Why did I think that would work? Either way. Man, add user, Q, add user. Couldn't create a new user, couldn't find create a new user configuration file, reading shells, enter your default shell. So in my case, it's just going to be KSH. Default login class would be staff, if memory serves me correct from what you said. Enter your home partition. Yep. Yep. Send a welcome message. Send a welcome message. Yeah, will that be? Prompt for password by default. Nope. Default encryption. Auto. Use silent if you want. We'll just go LP for Linux Panic. Linux Panic. User ID. Yep. Login group LP. Login class staff. And then yes. Copy files. No. Add no other user. Goodbye. So if I now do switch user to LP, who am I? Cool. So if I now do exit, who am I? Huzzah! Cool. Right, would you look at that? It's going well. Right. Okay, so right, just warming up my feet. So yes, now to set up a desktop. So SULP mail, no mail. Man package add Okay, cool. Install or update software packages, and then so manual page package add. So install new packages. This is normal mode. Package name. Update install packages. Install new packages in a hurry. Updating the dependencies first. In this case, in case of system crash, package may become corrupted. Use pack. Why does this sound familiar? Yeah, do as would be help. Do as. Do as. No such file or directory. So exit. Do as. CD. etc. mg do as dot conf. X Control C. I just realized there is no do as dot conf. Man, do as? Oh, cool. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, permit persistently. Yeah. So it would be Q and then so who am I? Root. So I will do. What I need to do is mg do as dot conf permit persist keep environment for wheel. And then it is Control X, Control S. No. Control X. Yes. I mean, I did spend like an hour trying to get the monitoring set up, and that is purely because of the capture card. It would be different in your situation. So if I now do switch user to LP, clear, do as operation not permitted. Okay. ls-la. I don't know if wheel is it's in the staff group, but I don't think it's in a wheel. No, it's not in wheel. Oh yeah, so it's lowercase a, capital G, yeah. So clear, exit, user mod AG, oh just G, wheel LP, and then I want to do switch user to LP, and then do as. I don't think I set a password for this, did I? No, I didn't. Did I set a password? Oh. I don't think. Ah, yeah. Password LP. Oh, hang on. Exit. SWD LP. Oh. There we go. So switch user to LP, do as ping 1.1.1. Gotcha. There we go. Right. Progress is being made. How are you guys feeling about this? I'm happy with this one. This is going well. Like, holy hell, this is much better than I thought it was going to be. Oh, elbows. Right. So I want to do clear. Yep. VI, chmod, copy files, move. Yeah, that's standard. Access mailbox. I can print commands. Ooh. I can print dates. So okay, that's cool. Oh yeah, that makes sense. I have config. You know, it would help if I could spell. For fuck's sake. Oh, it'd help so much if I could spell, wouldn't it? Okay, so 1000 base T, well, yeah, that's fine. Probably just launch. Yeah, probably just launch. Okay. That would explain why I was having issues with IWN earlier on, because it's got nothing. Yeah, it's... Yeah, that's why. Yeah, because I'm now on the user instead of on the thing. Man, oh my god. Manwich. Oh my god, yes, you got me there. That's the sort of joke I would tell. That's the sort of joke I would tell. Oh god damn it. Do as and then package add XFCE. Quirks. Yep. Yeah, because without the extras, I don't get anything. Yeah, I've made that mistake before. I've made that mistake before with Arch. But before I switch over to Workspace, I'll get it. Okay, so save and control. See this. Xface and then XFC extras. Cool. Yeah, I've made that mistake before where I forgot to. Because I get the extras, it'll give me the terminal so I can then install other things. I've made the error before where I haven't installed extras, so I got no terminal, no file management, nothing, just a raw desktop environment and no way to do anything at all. Yeah. I like them both because they both work. I have no preference over one over the other. I personally would much rather be using Opera GX. This isn't a sponsorship for Opera GX. This is just I like the clicky noise it makes when I'm typing. So that's why I use it. That is the only reason why I use Opera GX. Because it makes the clicky noise while I'm typing, and I love that. Just perfect. It sounds like it just tickles my brain. It just massages my brain. It's fantastic. That's why I use Opera GX. Ooh. Oh, I've just realized now, because I have a working OpenBSD operating system now, I can make wine scripts for BSD. Don't tell me I'm about to become a fucking person of authority on fucking... Oh, God. Oh, I recognize a lot of these scripts. I recognize a lot of these curl, lib prox, lib unistring, lib Oh look, it's libidn too. Yeah, we don't have wine here. Half buzz, yeah, libidn. We remember that one. Lib unistring. Lib, yeah, lib PSL. We remember that one. Half buzz. Lib. That's notify, not IO notify. GeoClue, WebKit, libhandy, Yelp. Yelp. What? That's still alive? Spider Monkey. I love that. Glade. Xface for you. Oh, yeah, we remember Xface for Utah, that's for sure. We totally didn't have any issues installing that one eons ago. Oh, I remember the fun we had with that one. I don't know if we do or not. I'm sure our resident BSD expert will tell us if we have GCC. Okay. In that case, then, good on him. Thunar, that is... I think Polkit. Yeah, I remember Polkit. No. The amount of issues I've had with GCC over the years, just no. X264, 265. Ooh. Yeah, no, the amount of issues we've had with GCC, just no. Please no. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. You use what works for you. LLVM. Oh, yeah. We've had fun with that one. I do. And it still nearly ran out. I had to make... There was a time when LLVM... I was actually setting up LLVM and it just chewed through the full 16 gigs of RAM that I gave it, the operating system, as well as the 4 gig swap disk. So I said, right, okay, fuck it. We'll chuck it in the fuck it bucket, and I'll give it a 100 gig swap disk, just because I can. It used 38 gigs of the swap disk, on top of the 16 gigs of RAM it already had. I could not give it any more RAM. It used 38 gigs of the swap disk. On top of the 16. God damn that. Yeah, that was an interesting experience. Certainly an interesting experience. If I had had more RAM to give it, then I would have been fine. But it used a 38 gigs of swap disk. This system only has 32 gigs in it. So to go from giving 16 gigs of RAM to using 16 gigs and a 38 gigs of swap disk. Nope, wouldn't have had enough. I would have needed 64 gigs of RAM in the system, which I don't have. That was definitely an interesting one, though. Just, yes. I would like all of your RAM, and then some. APDM daemon with RCCTL. So the auto-suspend on clamshell close works just as... Oh, no, this is on raw power. There is no battery in it at all. Enable AP, MD, and RC. Okay. I will do that. It's just, yeah, it doesn't really matter. If I'm done with it, I'll just unplug it. Because I know for a fact that just keeping things on battery when they don't need to be battery, it's just not good for the battery. Which reminds me, I need to go find the other power supply for this, because 65 watts is apparently not. This is a 65 watt charger apparently, and it's not enough for this. Allegedly. Need I remind you that? Yeah, I can't lift it up without unplugging. It's about a battery that big. A supply that big. Okay, so right. So what do I need to do? That file. So less FC. Okay. Less user local. And then it's XFCE. Do you want to try again? Maybe? Computer? Oh, right. Hang on. What? It's on your screen. Just type the parts that the package I told you. Oh, so it would be less user local. Hello, Ms. Love. How you doing, sir? Thank you very much for the 3 euros, my friend. I hope you are having a wonderful day so far. Yeah, it has no battery in it. Where there should be a battery, there is nothing. Because I don't want to kill the battery and also end up have it try and gain thrust all of a sudden. Oh, I'm dumb. Yep. Yeah, please ignore me. I'm having a dump. It took me a second to realize. Less user local share doc package readmes XFCE. I was having a dumb, okay. I mean, with the way some lithium batteries expand, yeah, they definitely do gain thrust. I was having a dumb ears. Took me a moment. Hope you're doing well, Ms. Lav. Right. It's composed of 2 meta packages: Xface for a base Xface installation and Xface extras, which I've got. Xface desktop environment is launched through start xfce4 script. Simply add user local bin start Xface 40 xinit rc x session script if you use start x or Xeno DM. So yeah, that's reasonable. How do I open a second term X console? Because I tried doing that earlier, and so I tried doing that earlier and it didn't want to know. So that's why I was asking. Oh, cool. So I'll just use my mouse. It's just easy, tickling my brain a bit easier. So escape, no. So what I'm going to do is I need to do ls. Who am I? No. sulp. Who am I? Okay, cool. So ls, la. So I need to put that in x in rc, which will be somewhere. Hmm. Okay, so switch user to LP, clear ls-la. Not a directory. Okay. Fair enough then. So, mg dot x init rc. Yeah. Okay, so mg needs to be tilde slash dot x session. And then need to do slash user local bin start xfce4, and then do control x control c. Yes. So if I now do cats.x session. Cool. Okay. So I've got that in the X session now, which is good. Leaving Linux or just having an affair. I'm just having a saucy affair with my operating systems. That is all. Yeah, that's a good point. Do agree with you. Okay, yeah, I just couldn't remember how to get the bang in. That's all. MG X session. X session. Yeah, my memory was just having a moment with me over the X session stuff. That one, so it is slash bin sh. Hello, TSEP. Welcome along. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that is exactly what I thought it was. Slava Ukraini. That's my opinion on that matter. And then do control X, control S, control X, control C, enter. Yes. Now I do cat.x session. Cool. And now I do chmod plus X. Yes, that's how I feel about this. That's how I feel about that one. Anyway, welcome along. Hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Catch my brain up, and I'm having a saucy affair with OpenBSD on a physical bit of hardware. And then chmod plus, oh yeah, x session dot x session. You know, it would help if I could type chmod plus x dot x session. Would help if I could type. So log out, exit, 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 exit. Yes, I really do want to exit. It's a team effort. So if I now do LP, oh hello. I don't know how the laptop's going to handle this, by the way. Ooh. I need to change this around a bit because it doesn't quite sit right. However, we have a nice. It's working. Who am I? Cool, clear. So RCCT enable message bus us. Yeah, do as have a good type correct. I, force of habit, did the double exclamation mark to redo the previous command. As it turns out, that doesn't exist. So do as rcct enable message bus, and then do as rcctl start message bus. So if I do clear and then, okay, first things first, I need to move this just down to here. Please, you're in the wrong place. Okay, desktop settings. Ooh, you need to catch up. Are you okay there, laptop? Are you okay there, mouse? Are you just having a funky with me? Yeah, you're just having a funk. So properties, no separator, just panel. Yeah, I just want to move you to, that's what. Okay, let's give it a reboot. So git svn open terminal, yeah, just reboot. Nice, that's cool. Cinnamon. That's my go-to, because that's what I use on the system that this is being streamed on. But I hope we're all having good days, though. Remember, folk, we're only here for a short time, not a long time, so may as well have fun whilst you're doing it. Yeah, I hope we're all having a wonderful day. Whilst we wait for this, I'm just going to do a quick call to action. So if you're not already subscribed, maybe hit the subscribe button. If you like the stream so far, hit the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike. They both seem to work, even though you can only see one of them. You can become a channel member for as little as £1 a month, where you get early access to videos. You get a little badge next to your name on videos and live streams. You get priority response to comments, because I get a notification whenever you send a video to whenever you comment on a video. And you get little shout-outs at the start of videos. Yeah, you can also see that this is in effect by our wonderful friend Mr. Mislav. I'm not going to pronounce his last name, even though I can do it correctly. But you can do that and join the thing. Subscribe for OpenBSD content. Well, I might have to. I'm definitely going to have to do some more OpenBSD content, because, you know, this tickles my brain. This is nice. I like it. Yes. While Cinnamon may be boring, I can make it look like Windows XP, and that's why I use. That's why I use it for, because I like my Windows XP look. Anyone who's been watching for a long enough time knows I like the way my BSD looks. I also like this little login screen. It looks nice. Yes, I like the way that login screen looks. It looks fantastic. Right. Come on, BSD. I do agree. The way it's just like crosshatch. What it reminds me of, the the physical bits they had on the RAM for the Apollo missions, where it's just bits of wire through the thing, bits of wire through the mini ferrite cores to do the magnetic stuff. Yeah, that's it. That's what that looks like. It looks like the little bits that are like the physical ferrite bits that were together. That's what it looks like. My brain needs to catch up. That would help. So, well, yes, Mr. Mislav has been around for a very long time. I was about to say, where has my desktop gone? Where has my background gone? Luckily, it's still here. So, let's actually... I wonder. I wonder. I was about to do some package adding, so do as package add not as add near fetch. I don't think I entered that incorrectly, did I? Oh, cool. Good. Yeah, that's what it reminds me of. Just the way that it's made. It looks like the ferrite beads that are just stuck together. I just couldn't remember my brain. Look, gnomes have stolen my brain and replaced it with soup. This is not news. Ambient. Well, I want to thank you very much for coming along, my friend. It's nice seeing you again. And remember, when you use Linux, don't panic. That's my job. Right, so near fetch. Oh, I love that. This might be having a small problem with itself, though, but I just... Oh, I love that fish. Blub blub. Oh, you can tell it doesn't like that. Ah, yes. 2.401 gigahertz. I like how it goes down to the 1000th position. Hang on, let's just clear. Yeah, let's try again. Yeah, that's better. It's done it more than the first time around. I gotta say, I do love the logo for it. It looks really nice. I just like that. Anyway, yes. Clear. So do as package add. Oh no, this is actually on this laptop here. the way Tux intended it. This is actual hardware being captured by an £18 capture card being sent to this computer. The reason why I'm looking here is because this is being used as the output. So this is the actual thing. What you can see here is what you can expect, plus or minus your hardware. Yes. The way Puffy... Oh, I love that. The way Puffy intended it. Do as package add fire. Yeah, man. This is the way forward. Oh, normally I would be using a VM. Normally I would. However, I'm going to let this one survive. I will let this survive. It really does not like doing that. Oh dear. Ooh, so read the readme on how to configure the sandbox. Okay. So if I now just applications, web browser, is it gonna work? I don't know. Oh, it's having a moment with itself. It is certainly having a moment with itself. Oh, it's having a moment with itself. Skip this step. Oof. Oh, it is having a moment with itself. Oh dear. Look, I know you're plugged in, and I know you don't like it. Well, luckily for you, I actually did do a video on how to install Arch. A couple of weeks. Yeah, I did it last week. Okay, so the mouse is alive. It's just not happy with it. Funky. It is a bit strange. Right, what am I doing? I need to catch my brain up. So, new terminal. So what I now need to do, it's package readme for, so cd var db that's not where the readmes are. My brain needs to catch up. Not where the readmes are at all. Ah, brain. Yep, I really need to catch my brain up. So if I do Angel, Angel didn't work. Oh, hang on, what am I doing? cd/user local share cd doc cd package readmes, and then I want to do which Firefox? That would help. And then MG Firefox. Okay, cool. We have a thing. Right, so right, third-party MIME handlers, unveil, pleasure and unveil support. No, we're not going to touch them. Mailcap for mailcap stuff using mail2 links. Debugging, dbus. Duty mult for full. I would need to install ffmpeg, which I might do. For WebRTC to work, you need to enable audio and video recording. Kerberos V, Kerberized Firefox client, Heimdall. You know, that's a good question. By default, OpenGL acceleration is disabled. You can enable it by setting MOZ accelerated 1 in the environment, or by switching the about config layers acceleration force knob to true. Check the decision log. Well, I just reached the bottom of the page anyway, so let's go back up. Why did I say bottom of the log? I meant bottle of the... Bottle, yes, bottle. Okay, right. It is recommended to manually create the downloads for files to be properly saved in this directory. Starting Firefox should create this directory, but it won't be available for downloads until it is restarted. Firefox on OpenBSD is secured with pledge and unveiled to limit the system calls and file system access for each Firefox process types. Main content, remote data recording, which is permitted. I hate to ask, but have you told CFDisk to write? Trust me, the last time I installed Arch, it took me 4 attempts because I kept forgetting to write in CFDisk. Because, like I said, gnomes have stolen my brain and replaced it with soup. Okay, so as unveil, can't show non-existent directories. Right, so let's do and then Control X, Control C, clear. So I want to feel, no, feels. Cool. Okay, so I do not have the downloads folder yet. Home, LP, desktop, right. Correct folder, downloads. Give it that. Close. Oh, I love that. So, Firefox. What do you mean 200? Oh, yeah, that's right. Right, so, browser. Watch as it starts crying aggressively. Yes, we will set it as the default browser. Settings. Okay. Dark, oh my god, dark theme, that's much better now. I speak English UK, not English simplified. I have not forgot the letter U out of everything, so browse. Other locations, computer. Yeah, I've not forgot the letter U. I'll figure that. Yeah, we'll just do that for now. Firefox update, OpenBSD 7.6 packaged by Landry Brueel from OpenBSD. Cool. Use hardware acceleration where available. Yeah, it appears to have fixed it. Yeah, sandboxing. No, we leave that alone. So if I close downloads, now I need to bring terminal back up. Default only downloads attempt can be written to when downloading files or when viewing local files at file URLs. Can edit the X. I can feel the fan spinning on like crazy. It's just vibrating. That's going fast. Right, so Control X, C, Control C. Control C. Control X, Control C. Control C, Control X, Control X, Control C. Control X, Control S. Let me out. Let me out. Control C. Control C, Control S, Control X, Control C. There we go. Let me hit. So CD and then CD/etc/Firefox. Ah. mg unveil.main. Okay, cool. Yes, this is a this is a 14-year-old laptop. No, these are Intel drivers. At least I think they're Intel drivers. Oh, I stand corrected. Yep, they are AMD. Ignore me. You were right, I was wrong. I couldn't remember. Ignore me, it's okay. Right, pledge units for unveil, but pledge may be disabled. So, catch my hand up and hopefully warm it up. Yep, no, it is running AMD. I am just having the dumb. Like I said, gnomes have stolen my brain and replaced it with soup. So... So it would be do as package add xdg utils and then xdg update user does. Okay, cool. Oh, that was only signed 2 days ago. Cool. That's a good point. Are you guys ready for the new SpaceX rocket launch? Oh, right. Ready for the new Starship launch. Right, so I need to go there and then... xdg update user directories not found. What? Oh, no, it's all right. User does xdg. That's fine. Yes, all right. User does update. Yeah, don't worry. I forget some. I think I've not installed what I need to install. Do as package add xdg utils. xdg. xdg settings. Help. xdg user does update. Not found. What? Okay, so do as package add package locate db and package locate bin xdg user does so it is there now. Okay. Yeah, it's annoying that Windows is still the main for teaching and all that. I agree with you, it's annoying. There should be a choice, not a forced mandatory. XDG user do as package add XDG user does. So if I now do that, it didn't throw an error this time, which is good. Just try to get my mouse to move it on the main one. Right, tell you what, let's calendar. Yeah, that looks. I want to change some of this around because it's new office system. Why is this called Gigolo? You know what? I'm not even going to question it. I'm not going to question it. This is concerned. Right, so Xbase terminal settings. Nope. Not what I wanted. Right, we've got XDG users installed. First now, if I... Yes, and it's done the thing, so... I've immediately forgotten what I was trying to do. Hello, Cosmic Stardust. Oh no, you don't have to apologize. I just think that Windows should not be the only option. Yeah, you can tell my computer's having this poor little laptop is having a fit with itself. You can tell it's having a fit with itself. Okay, you will wake up, I promise. I will stop torturing you eventually. Maybe. Oh, yeah, that's what's wrong. ls-la. Okay, so I need to do mg unveil.main and then add anywhere at all. There is no specific place. If you want to access more than just downloads or temp, add a new line, RWC, and then restart Firefox. Oh yeah, do as. So control X control. So do as mg on veil.main. Go right to the end. Hang on. Now end at the end, and if you want access to new line RWC there and restart. So right to the end. So let's do that. Tilde slash dot tilde slash RWC. Then remove the downloads stuff. Is that one. There we go. So if I now do Control X, Control S, yes, Control C, Control X, Control C. Now if I do Firefox, oh, I don't need to do Firefox from here. You poor baba. The laptop is not enjoying itself. Oh, I kind of feel bad for it. Not really. Right, make default. You already made the default. So if I now do bruise, there, okay, now I can see things. Right, okay, cool. I would say have a constructive debate with Xrandr, because they've been using it for far longer than I have, and they daily drive it. So I just want to do github.com. Oh, look, it's my GitHub. Oh yeah, I need to check wine, don't I? Winehq.org. Okay, good. We're still on that one. Are there any other scripts I should make? Yeah, you can really tell it's having a fit with itself. Oh, there is a FreeBSD version. Yeah, no, I don't blame you. I was just having a look in general. I might make a script for it. I don't know. I'll think about it later. I wonder how out of sync this is time-wise. Oh, that's not bad at all. Not bad. It is very in sync, which is good. But yeah, I use both Windows and Linux interchangeably, because there are things that I do on Windows that I can't do on Linux. Such there are a few games that I stream on Twitch that do not work on Linux at all. I have tried, but there are some things that I like doing on Linux that I could quite easily do on Windows, but I prefer doing on Linux. I wonder, do as package add speed test. Cool. Okay, yeah, so that's got a much better download speed than I was expecting this thing to have. Oh yeah, it is starting to be warm. It's okay, buddy. No, I haven't, because that's not a static IP. It's not a static IP. So I don't care. It is a dynamic IP that is set by the ISP, and this ISP also uses IPv6. And if anything, if I were to check it, it would show an IPv6 address on the router, not actually here, because this is seeing the IPv4 only. Plus, if there's it changes every so often anyway. It's just whatever the ISP decides. I haven't leaked anything. So yeah, if there's too much traffic, they just go, yeah, no, changing. Believe me, I've been fucked over by it before. I used to have hardware monitoring on my Linux system, and it was connected to a Zabbix server in the Netherlands. Well, sorry, in Germany, that was routed through the Netherlands. Weird, I know. But the IP changed on the router 2 days after I set it up. And I was just getting notifications because I had it set to webhook into a Discord server. So I was just getting notifications going, error, error, no connection, no connection, no connection, no connection. And it was just having a fit because the ISP changed the router IP. Well, the ISP changed my IP. So me showing it is going to make no difference. If there is just too much traffic, the ISP goes, no. I don't know. That is definitely something I will be exploring. And yes, I agree. Dynamic IP is good, but not when you have a Wi-Fi repeater. I prefer having static IPs. Manually assigning static IPs. Oh yeah, nope. No. I have. So if, for example, I turn off the wireless and then do ifconfig again. Because I've just hardware switched it because, you know, we like hardware switches these days. I don't like the fact that things have been removed. Hardware switches have been removed. It's not nice at all. That's just my opinion. There are many other like it, but this is my own. Hardware opinions are very nice. Yeah, I don't know what the hell that's doing there. Ooh, that is a good point. That's a good point. OpenTTD. Do as package add. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. Absolutely no bloody way. No way. No way. No freaking way. Oh, I love this. Okay, that's cool. Let's go gambling. Okay, that's cool. I tell you what, can you tell me how to get your ports page so I can show it off? Whilst it's true, but also it's nice to know OpenTTD works because I also have it installed on my phone, as well as my Windows, as well as my Linux, as well as now my OpenBSD. I've just realized I can't. Oh, I just tried to move my mouse from here to there and realized I can't do that. That's not going to work. Whoops. Oh, lovely. Right, where is... That is Discord. Okay, no, that's just YouTube. Unless you're a mod, you don't get access to it. Okay, so... Yeah. Yeah. I just love that that works straight off the bat. That was hilarious. So, this is Izzy's stuff. They know what they're doing. They know significantly more about BSD and OpenBSD than I do. So I'm going to show it off. So https://izder456 neocities nearly type neofetch.org/ports. Please ignore the fact that gnomes have once again stolen my brain and replaced it with soup. God HTML. God milk. God HTML. I love that. So some Pangea soft games. Oh yeah, the Thorn letter. I agree with you. Emulators. Ooh, GameCube stuff. So Bug Dom 1 and 2, Mighty Mike, Billy Frontier, Nanosaur, Krogroma Rally, and Automatic. You know what? That's not too bad. God damn. Yeah, you can tell that the laptop is not enjoying itself. Oh, I do not feel sorry for it. Oh, I love how that changes every time. RTFM. Oh, that's not. Oh, never mind. That's just the ports page. You know what? This is pretty good. Really? Ooh. Somehow I'm not sure. Um, I'm not quite sure that this would enjoy that. So let's do it anyway. Why does hitting the back button on my mouse make it go up? Oh, it's treating it up as an up and down. Hmm. Interesting. You know, I said I'm not sure if this will work at all. And then we're going to do it anyway because it's funny. So, package, no, go back up, files. Oh, yeah, that'd be much easier, wouldn't it? So package, do as package, add classic cube. Just realized I didn't need to put. Oh, yeah, 1C, not 2. It is the equivalent of sudo, yes. So, let's just... I just love the purple of that. Oh my god. It's running at a solid 60 FPS and all. Oh my lord. I love this. Brick. Hang on. I've got to see if it's possible. I've got to see if it's possible. Ah, yeah. Boring. It's just the entire bottom of the world filled with lava. I love that. Um. Oh, I love that. That's cool. That's cool. You know, I might have to have a look at that for on another time because ooh, got me thinking. Tell you what, do as package add it. I wonder. Ooh. I'm gonna have to add that when I'm not streaming because that stuff I want to keep private. Hello, Peter. Hello, Mr. Peters. This is one of the other technical folk that I know. Yes. Believe it or not, this is BSD. OpenBSD. And just to prove it, it is alive somehow. It is spin at neofetch CD clear ice. CD user. Hang on, no. CD. cd.config, cd neo fetch, and then mg neo fetch. Okay, here's where I can change things around now. Cool, right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do that. Do that. Do that. We'll leave it alone. Tell you what we will do. Off. This was shorthand off. Architecture off. Memory. Off. Memory percent off. We'll leave that alone. Maybe that's fine. On cool shell. Yeah, we'll leave that alone. Ow. Ow. Ah, yes. BIOS limit. Let's break it again. We love doing that. Actually, yeah, we'll keep that a BIOS limit. And then it's the, not the speed one, but it's the other one. CPU brand on, CPU speed, cause this is what I broke. CPU calls, instead of logical, we go physical. PHYSICAL, physical. Right, CPU temperatures on, which needs to be C. GPU brand on. GPU type all. Refresh rate, we leave that alone because we know it's 60 Hertz. Right, so we want to do Control X, Control C. Yes. Now if I do clear and then neo fetch. More information, okay. You do not feel like you're doing 49 degrees Celsius. Are you lying to me? Are you lying? I think it might be lying. wrong keyboard. That's a good point. Fast. Yeah, so do as package add fast fetch. Oh well, we don't care, we don't give a fuck about notch. Ooh, package do as package add. Ooh, you can tell it's not happy with it. That's fine. Oh no, it's all right. What I'm saying is we don't care about notch, but yes, you don't know till you try. Yes, I think the reason why this is struggling is because it's seeing two monitors, but it does work. It's a miracle that it does. Holy hell! I loved the fact that OpenTTD just worked. Does that mean Roller Coaster Tycoon works? Does that mean Roller Coaster Tycoon works, considering it was written in bloody assembly? Because that guy was an absolute mad lad and wrote it in assembly, of all things. Oh my lord. So clear do as package add open RCT2. How would I do that? Ooh, yeah, it is struggling. Oh my lord, it is struggling. So if I just to see if it will. Ah, yeah, I see what you mean now. No, I don't. I see what you mean though. Ooh, I just love the fact that this works. So let's explore some of this a bit more. So we've got some accessories, so bulk rename, file searching, Thunar file manager. That's the one I prefer because it's the one that I can make look like Windows XP. And guess what? I've just realized I can make this look like Windows XP. Very nice. So, there, view, show hidden files. I'll tell you what, we'll do that. So, do as package add from a grally to matic. Chromogrally. You know what? That's actually pretty cool. It is not happy. It is not happy with me. It is really not happy with me. Right, so Chromogrally. Tell you what, let's give it a whirl. Pangea software. I'm gonna see if this actually works. Frog. Frog or Grag. I love that. Oh, okay, so now it works. Now it's happy to be working with me. Okay, so I don't think that this wants to play ball with me in regards to the way that I'm torturing it. But it's nice to see the best and most modern Linux game. I just love that it works with efficiency. Like, there's no issues, there's no wavering. You have to remember that at the time that this game was released in 2000, the time between this game's release and this laptop's release was about 13 years. No, hang on. No, it was a 10-year time difference between this laptop and this game. So I should hope that this runs fine. However, we have to be realistic about... well, you've got to be realistic about it. But it is just so nice to know that we can continue to preserve software that was loved time and again. That would be hilarious. In this case, I imagine there is. The physics is about as good as you can expect it to be for a game that was made in the year 2000. Woo. Woo. But the fact that it works, I am just happy to know that it does. Ooh. Hey, Peter. Mr. Peter, I believe there's a game that both me and you play that I wonder if would work. I believe it's a certain crack-based game. I think it's called Cracktorio. Factorio. Oh, I did not know that. I wonder if Factorio would work. And the reason why I wonder is because I know for a fact that Factorio has a dedicated Linux client, as well as macOS client, as well as Windows client. So I wonder if it would work on OpenBSD. I wonder. I don't know, but I do know it is DRM free. That's actually a good question. Super Tux Cut, I love that. Okay, well, they didn't get the arrows. Tell you what, I'll give it a try now. You know what? Do as package add. It doesn't. Okay. Right, we'll give automatic a try. So, automatic. Rescue the humans by touching them. Oh yeah, I'm sure that's exactly what that is. Sure. Oh, okay. I'm sure this is exactly what we have to do by touching the humans to rescue them. I'm sure that's exactly what it is. Oh, hang on. Whoops. Peter, my friend, when have I not made it weird? When have I not made it weird, sir? Yeah, I'll give it a break, don't worry. Bother. I love how it just takes off the head. Hello, sir. I need to talk to you about our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Hello, sir. I need to talk to you about our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Ah, so instead of having to press shift, I can press space. Okay, that's cool. Hello there. I need to talk to you about the error of your ways. You know, for a game this old, it's not actually too bad. Ooh, this make this. You know, for a game this old, it performs really well. And I gotta say, I want to thank you, Iz, for the help you've provided me today. The help you provided everyone with by being here. And also, thank you for just coming along today, you know? Yeah, it is fun. It's been a good time. Just sent flying. This also gives me the Simpsons hit and run vibes. Yeah, this gives me Simpsons hit and run vibes. Mac PC perception. Yeah, I saw that earlier on whilst getting this set up. That it has a PowerPC option when I was downloading it, and I found that rather funny. Like, huh, cool. It has a PowerPC option. PowerPC still supported in this day and age. Oh bother! Why is the ground vibrating? Don't worry, human. I'm here to rescue you. Why are the tomatoes trying to kill me? Right away. Steal the human. Hello, human. I'm here to rescue you. Hello, human. I'm here to rescue you. Do not resist. Hello, human. You are here to be rescued. Do not resist. Oh, I love that. I love that it works. Oh, this has been cool. I love this. Right. I am gonna call it for here today because I need to go get myself another cup of coffee, and I'm gonna go get myself something to eat, or something more to eat even. This has been genuinely fun, and I want to thank everyone for coming. You know, it's been interesting. Being perfectly honest, I wasn't expecting it to turn out the way it has done. We've had our fair share of problems. We've also had a good amount of problem solving. And there we go. Put my mouse back in. Oh, I will. I will if I have any issues. But I do want to say thank you very much for helping. because it's been good, and you know, it's nice to share. Oh, it's a bit scorched. No ideal. It's nice to share. Share this. I had a blast as well, so I want to thank everyone for coming along and watching. If you're not already subscribed, maybe consider subscribing. Hit the like button if you liked it, dislike if you dislike. They both seem to work, even though you can only see one of them. Remember, when you use Linux or BSD, don't panic. That's my job. Yeah, I want to thank you all. It's been amazing. You guys have. It's lovely to talk to you all and show you guys some new stuff. This has been cool. This has been rather cool. Anyway. Maybe, Peter. Maybe. Anyway. You guys are all fantastic. I cannot thank you all enough for being here. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And have a good night, good day, good evening, good night, good whatever it is, wherever you are. Goodbye.